Hi guys, hello everyone. This is Sheikh Mohammed. You're watching Muhammad channel. Guys, I just want to tell you about this afternoon stock, guys. At morning, I just kept Axis Bank stock, which I got 1700 points like that. And now, after 12 a.m., 1 a.m., 1 p.m., I got Reliance stock. Bank Nifty has fallen a lot, and it affected in Axis and Reliance too, guys. And you can observe the stock has fallen drastically, and I'm gonna tell you how it fallen. Before that, I just want to tell you the indicators which I'm using here. One thing is volume. Volume is a similar thing, and next thing is BB, guys. But I'm not showing here. I'm just hiding this, guys. And next one is EMA cost or exponential moving average, guys, which I just kept. This one is 21, guys. This red line is 200, guys, long range, and this one is short range, guys. And we can observe this SAR, means parabolic SAR, guys. These were the stop loss things, guys, and I don't want to hide this, show this one at here, guys, so I'm just hiding this one. So commonly you can see MACD, guys, and volatility index and RSI, guys. And these here I'm just using RDX and OBB, guys, two special indicators. I'm just considering mainly is this EMA and MACD, guys, and volatility index, and I'm going to use these three as a specific indication for volatility, guys, and momentum, guys. So that's why I'm just open these two. And the OBB is volume, guys, volume, and you can observe. And I'm gonna directly show you where I'm gonna trade. Yeah, today at morning I just open here, guys, at 140 and really traded here, and here I'm just ended somewhere 440. I got some profit, guys, 500 like that. But I just want to trade. So where I consider is I could consider at anywhere, guys. From here we can see, and here you can see, guys, in MACD, this MACD line is crossover with signal, guys, so it gone uptrend, guys. So you can observe here, and the uptrend doesn't have a continuous way, so it gone to way down, guys. But do we know why it gone down? We don't know, guys. I just mark it from here to here, but you can take anywhere, guys. From here we can take from here, guys. You can take anywhere your profit, guys. Look your profits. I'm gonna show you directly how much I got. 404. Sorry. 404 to 450, guys. You can see here 409 to 450, guys. My stock brokerages is at 10,000 and stock price is 448 like that. You can take 452, there's no problem. And I got 62 only, guys, stocks. I'm just inputted this quantity, guys. How much I got is 2,400, guys. But what I said is I just need only not 25%, but I need only 10%, guys. So in this area, from here vertical area to here, guys, you can book anywhere, guys, your profits, and exit from there. And I'm going to tell you how it happened. Let me tell you, guys. Here you can observe this is a long range, guys. This is a short range, guys. Means if short range is overlapped with long range, guys, if it gone to uptrend, it's gonna be up. It's gonna make a positive, means uptrend, guys. But if in this case, what happened is it gone to downtrend, guys. In this case, you can observe, guys. Here it exactly overlap with signal, guys. So there's a possibility of going down, and here also make in volatility index. But what happened is it's not showing anything, guys, anything. But where I got is from the simple manner, moving average guys, simple way. I'm just going with the trend guys, not the against trend. I'm not swimming against trend guys, against the river, but I'm swimming with the river. Means I could gain more things guys. So what I did is this is a 200 long range guys, and you can observe this is a short range 21 days period guys. So if you can see here, it gone even down guys. You can observe here this is going to be in downtrend. In this way I could conclude that this is in downward motion. Okay, I could start from here, I could start from here, or I could start from here guys. Anywhere I could start. Okay, for your convenience I may start okay, I'm just doing like this only, and again vertical way. Yeah, here I got guys, somewhere here I got, and this thing where it crossed over guys with red one. Okay, and I'm gonna change trend line to here guys. Yeah, and you can observe here clearly guys, this is in downtrend guys. See clearly, you can observe this is in downtrend. Yeah, I'm going with the trend guys. So it's in downtrend, I'm just shorting guys. What happened is profit guys somewhat around 150 here, around 150 guys. You can observe. If you can change here also 147 to, doesn't make any difference. 149 to, doesn't make any difference. I'm just placing 150 as a ground figure. It doesn't make any difference guys. So this is my trend guys, and this is my trend guys, where I'm going I had gone with the trend guys, and I had booked a profit of 100 guys. That's the thing guys. And here you can observe even it's supporting here also guys. Here you can see volatility index. In this volatility index the red line gone upward guys, means the limit gone upward. So I'm going to show you these thing also guys. These three are very important in the long journey guys. Like, yeah, here you can observe it had touched at the bottom also, where I can book the profit here also. But what it showed is there's no crossover in volatility index. So what I did is I just left that one. I haven't kept any stop loss below that, so I haven't booked any profit here. Why? Because in volatility index there is no crossover guys. That's why I just left. And if you so many think RSI, if RSI touches 30 limit, that's gonna be lost final one, but that's not the thing. If it even touches 30, even it may go even 20, 15 also guys. Not 15 but 20, like that guys, depending on volatility guys. And you can observe here RDX is for volatility index guys. It's not the uptrend or downtrend, but it supports the what you call what's the present trend. It can, what's the present trend guys, is in downward trend. So you suppose for supporting that is gone upward guys. This is the volatility. And here you can observe OBV guys. OB is nothing but OBV is nothing but open balancing volume guys. So here you can observe it's going downward guys. So all the things were satisfying for us, it's going downward trend. So the thing is we can book the profit at the end of the day guys. So I just booked it at the end of the day, almost 15:30, 15:10 guys, 3:10. So that's the end of the day guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you lastly yeah, finally my profit is yeah, my buy value, my sell value is, you can observe my sell value is almost 445 almost. Okay, I'm gonna 4 49, my sell value is 449 guys, and my buy value is 409, and the quantity I got is from equity, cash 10,000, price is 1450, and MSI is 49 guys. Yeah, and I got 62. Okay guys, and after that I book a profit of 2,400 guys. I may not, I don't want all these 25% profit, but what I said is 10% or 15% guys. That's my profit. Actually, I just want to tell you guys, there's no need to book a profit for 1 day or 1 week of double the price. But what you need to do is consistency. Consistency is a must one guys. So we may make mistakes guys. Yeah. Today also I just make a mistake. That's not a mistake, but these MACD and volatile index forced me to buy here and end up here guys. And I just started from here also guys. After that, after the lunch, I just started here from here to here guys, where I booked my profits. So what I want to tell is we should manage the losses and gains. At the end of the day, we should be in a profitable place guys. My view is I just want only 30% of profit guys for a month. That's the thing. For 1 lakh, if I had a margin of 1 lakh, I'm gonna place only 10,000. Margin of 1 lakh, I'm gonna aim only for 30,000 like that. If 30,000 for 1 month is enough guys, that's the max thing I think so for a beginning stage. So I hope you enjoyed this video guys. So if you like, do subscribe.